As we get comfortably seated, in any seated meditative posture, making a deliberate attempt to pull the spine upright, back of the head in line with the spine, and gently closed eyes, we bring our right hand in Nasagraha Mudra. We close our right nostril and we inhale in Khanda Pranayam only once. Then we close that left nostril and exhale in Kapalbhati from the right, this way. Then we inhale in Khanda Pranayam again, close it, exhale in Kapalbhati. So here's one more round of it. Pranayam is most effective if there is repetition. It gives faster results. So keep repeating. Inhale, inhale, exhale in Kapalbhati. Inhale, inhale, exhale in Kapalbhati. Make sure in Kapalbhati exhalations, you pull your abdomen completely in. Get ready to discontinue the practice. Last set. Now change to Vajrasan to do 3-stage pranayam. Vajrasan, hands at the waist. Inhale in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs, 2. Then thumbs in your armpits, elbows out like wings. Inhale in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs, 2. Again, hands at the waist. Inhale in Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs, 2. Thumbs pressing the armpits so that in case there is a blocked nostril, it opens up. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs. 2. One more last set. Hands down at the waist. Thumbs are towards the tailbone. Fingers are towards the navel. Inhale in Ujjayi. Hold. Exhale. Exhale more. Hold. Thumbs and armpits. Inhale in Ujjayi. Move into a Kumbhak, Antar Kumbhak, after doing a full Purak. Exhale in Ujjayi. Exhale more. Hold the Bahir Kumbhak. Discontinue the practice to come into a complete twist, any side. Complete twist. Once in a twist, one Kapalbhati, one Bhastrika, but both are abdominal. Please watch. Twist well, turn your head back. Twist more. Pull the abdomen in. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Change sides. Discontinue the practice. Come back to the center. Come into Adi Mudra where thumbs are in the fists. Place the fist below the navel. Inhale fully. Lift the head up. Exhale completely. Go down. Come back inhaling. Thumbs into fist, fist below navel. Inhale fully in Ujjayi now. Exhaling, come down. Hold the exhalation in Bahir Kumbhak when you are down. Continue the progress, getting better and better and better. First was a Mandukasana, then was a Mandukasana in Ujjayi. Now, in the same Adi Mudra, inhale fully up in Ujjayi, exhaling first chest down, then head down. Hold the exhalation down there and then come up inhaling. Same Vajrasana, Adi Mudra. We go down in Mandukasana. We keep adding a bit. And repetition is very important in pranayama, in breath work. So we again do Mandukasana. Thumbs in Adi Mudra. Inhale fully. Head up. Stretch the neck. Experience the ujjayi in the deepest part of your throat. Exhale, come down. Chest down first. Ujjayi continues. Drop the head last. Stay down. Hold the exhalation. And then massage your abdomen with your fists. Reverse the massage. As soon as you want to inhale, come up, inhaling. Head up first, then the chest. Watch for one round if you wish. Vajrasan, Adi Mudra, thumbs into fists. Inhale fully. Feel the ujjayi in your throat. Drop the head back. Look up at the ceiling. Hold the inhalation. Start going down, exhaling, chest down first. Then the head. Start massaging your abdomen. Reverse it. Come up, head up first. Ujjayi Purak. Inhalation in ujjayi. And up. And go down again.